Etsy's prediction for the color trend of the year is lime cream. So I am working with TMI Gifts to create a custom wreath box to make a lime cream wreath. So I just want to give you guys a quick view of what is in the kit. So we have our 18-inch grapevines. We have our cream peonies, and these are the star of the show. These are gorgeous. I've been buying those in all different colors. Then we have some white roses. We have 3 bushes of, this is like gypsum. Okay, lots of texture. Okay, so this box has so much greenery in it. So also if you're somebody who's working on like learning what greenery goes with what, this is a great example because we have 5 different types of greenery that are gonna go into one wreath, okay? So the first one is our trailing ivy. A little bit of drama with this one, I think. Next we have, so there's 2 of everything. So there's 10 bushes. So we have 2 of these beaded grass, which these are very popular, and you've probably seen all the wreaths. They're just entirely made of that foliage. It's beautiful. We have our boxwood, pretty, and it's got those lifelike, that bright tips to it. We have the ruscus, which we have worked with several times before, I guess at this point, and this stuff is amazing. So it looks and feels real. It's got, you know, some little seeds on it. This is an amazing greenery that I also stock up on. And then we have 2 of these lime leaf bushes. Okay, just for, again, a little bit of texture. These are nice and soft. And then we're going to have 3 different types of ribbon. I've been working on my bow making skills. Hopefully I'll have it up and running in time for this, but we are going to be using a 2.5-inch wired satin, a 2.5-inch wired check, and then a Dupont style lime green 1.5-inch ribbon. So there are about 5 kits left, and with promo code KARA20, you save 20%, or if you want to purchase anything at TMI Gifts using promo code KARA20, we'll save you 20%. And we will be doing a live design session probably in about a week and a half, just to give people some time if they want to order the kit and join me. So yeah, let me know what you think of this kit and what you think about the lime cream trend.